Alright, so this is the next stage. This is a couple days after the last video. As you can see, or maybe not, we've got the whole front end of the engine pulled off. We've got harmonic balancer, alternator, power steering pump, water pump. It's all been removed off of the front of the engine in preparation for the serpentine belt system. It's a fairly simple removal. Did some cleanup. As you can see, the cross member at the bottom. Clean that up. Be putting up a new harmonic balancer, which has already been purchased, and we'll start the rebuild.